All right, we finished with chart 6 and we are now looking at chart number 7. Now you remember that eighth notes are solid with a stem and a beam across the top. So these are eighth notes right here. Okay, I'm going to highlight those in yellow. Those are eighth notes. We know they're eighth notes. Well, these are solid with the stem with a beam. They're eighth notes too. I get it. They're the fast notes. All right, those are quarter notes solid with a stem. Those are the slower notes. Well, look at these notes. Well, let's describe them. Solid with the stem and a beam across the top. Solid with a stem and a beam across the top. There's two of them. There's two of them. Here, there's 4 of them. But they're still solid with a stem and a beam across the top. One beam across the top. So you know what they are? They're eighth notes. Solid with the stem and one beam. They're eighth notes. So you're telling me that we can have 2 eighth notes stuck together by a beam? And we could have 4 eighth notes stuck together by a beam and they're still eighth notes? You know what? That's the truth. That's exactly how you know what eighth notes are. They have one beam across the top. Well, wait a minute. What if I had 10 solid with a stem and a beam across the top? They're still eighth notes. Okay. What if I had 20 solid with the stem and a beam across the top? They're still eighth notes. Okay, one more time. What if I had 5,000 solid with a stem and one beam across the top? Eighth notes. There'd just be a whole lot of eighth notes. But really, solid with a stem, one beam across the top, they're always eighth notes. They're always counted a number and the plus sign. So let's see what we can do here. Counting these. This pattern here. Oh, wait a minute. We have to count to the number 4. That's what the time signature tells us. So we go 1, and 2, and. Now these are quarter notes. They're slow. So each quarter note gets a whole number by itself. 3, 4, bar line. Oh, wait, we decided these were eighth notes where they're the same as these. They're just connected. Like if I just went like that, it's the same thing. Oh, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Well, that makes sense. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Double bar line at the end. Oh, so that's how that rhythm goes, how that pattern goes. It sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, let's do this whole line all the way through. Ready and say 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 Yeah, good reading on that. Let's do this line 4 times through for practice. Ready and say 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Second time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 Yeah, you just did that line 4 times through. Great. Let's get ready for number 2.